Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram could not refresh feed. So guys, if you want to open your Instagram app and facing this type of issue could not refresh feed, then I'll help you how to fix it. So let's start without wasting any time. So here you can see I am opening my WhatsApp Instagram, and when I am clicking on refresh, then I am facing this type of issue could not refresh feed. So how can you fix it? So let's start without wasting any time. So first of all, you need to go back and open your settings. Click on settings. So find the settings of your phone, scroll it down, and here is the setting. So you need to click on settings, and after this you need to click on Wi-Fi and on your Wi-Fi and connect your phone with Wi-Fi. So if connected, then if not connected, then you need to open your mobile data. So after doing this, you need to go back, and after connecting internet with your device, then your problem will be fixed. So still have this problem, then you need to open your Play Store app and search your Instagram, search it and click on Instagram, and make sure that your Instagram app is updated. If not updated, then you need to update it. So here you can see my app is not updated. So first of all, you need to update it, and after update, your problem will be fixed. So you need to update it and check that your problem is fixed or not. So if still having this problem, then open your settings again, and after this scroll it down, and here is the option of app management. You need to click here and click on app list and wait for opening, and here you need to find Instagram. So here is Instagram. You need to click here and click on storage and cache. Click here and click on clear cache, and after doing this, go back and check that your problem is fixed or not. So now I am opening my Instagram app. Click here. So wait for opening. So here you can see now my app is opened successfully. So here you can see I am can't facing that error. So by doing this method, you will be able to fix your Instagram. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.